Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your age on TikTok. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So, first of all, you need to open your TikTok application, and then at the bottom right click on your profile button. Here it is. Then you can try to click on the edit profile in the middle of your screen. And then, as you can see, there is no option to change your birthday. Actually, there is no option to change your birthday. You can try to go to your settings and privacy, maybe account option, user information. So there is no option to change your birthday. So the only one way how you can do that is to click on your profile name at the top of your screen. Here it is, and then click on the add account button. Then use phone or email, and then here you can change your birthday. So this is the only one way how you can do that. So you need to change your birthday like this, then click on the next button. Then you need to enter your phone number, then you will receive a SMS code. You need to enter this code, and after that your age will be changed. So, and that's all, and that's how to change your age on TikTok. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.